Hi, you are welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll be solving the fraction question on the board. And the question says 7 over 1 over 5 minus bracket 3 over 3 over 4 plus 1 over 7 over 15 plus 3 over 4. So how do you solve or how do you simplify this kind of fraction when you have different operations in it? In mathematics, in case you don't know, we have 4 basic operations, which are addition, subtraction, integration, division. So if you have a question on fraction and you have different operations, you are advised to make use of your BODMAS. So BODMAS will guide you on which one you should go first. So BODMAS is an acronym. Your B is your bracket, your O is your order, I'll call it power or exponential. Your D is your division, your M is your multiplication, your A is your addition, while your S is your subtraction. So the way it is arranged, if you have a question whereby you have the one, you have brackets, you have division, you solve the one inside bracket first. So if brackets is solved first, then you go to the one of order, then you move to division, multiplication, addition, and so on. So we are going to apply BODMAS to the question on the board. If you are to apply BODMAS to the exam, that we are going to do this one. We're going to do this one first. So that means you're going to have, I'm going to bring this one on the fractions that we have in our bracket. In our bracket, we have 3 over 3 over 4. So I'm bringing it out. I want to deal with it first. There's 1 over 7 over 15. And now look at it. How do we solve this? You see this whole number, you have 3, you have your 1, you bring it out. 3 plus 1. Once you have done that, now you put a fraction inside the bracket. The fraction here, which is 3 over 4 plus 7 over 15. So what is 3 plus 1? 3 plus 1 is what? 3 plus 1 is 4. So you move to your bracket, you look for your x here. What's the sum of 4 and 15? The sum of 4 and 15 is 60. So you're going to use this 4, which is the denominator for 3 over 4. You're going to use to divide 60. 4 and 60, that will be 15. 15, then you use it to multiply your numerator, which is 3, plus 15 is 16, now will be 4. That will be 4 times 7. So what do we have? We have 4 whole number. Then you have 3 times 3 is what? That will be 45. Then 7 times 4, that will be 28. Everything over 60. So you move on by adding your 45 to 28. What is 45 plus 28? 8 plus 5, that's 13. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, that'll be some 3. So that'll be some 3 over 60. Now, if you look at it, 60 can go inside with 3, which should be 1s. So that 1, you add it to this form. So this 4 turns to 5. So 60 is something that we 1. We added the 1 to 4, which made us write. It made us to turn our 4 to 5. Knowing that 13 over 60. And this is not the final answer. Now we'll go back to our fraction. So we're going to write the fraction. Now, you know, we have 7 over 1 over 5. Look at the question. We have 7 over 1 over 5. So your 7 over 1 over 5 minus. So if you look at this bracket now, we've worked on the minus into bracket 3 over 3 over 4 plus 1 over 7 over 6. We've worked on it now. And we have arrived at this. We have arrived at this 5 whole number 13 over 60. Can you see that it's not simpler? All text subordinates, and you have plus 3 over 4 plus 3 over 4. Well, you may be wondering that, which one are we going to solve first now? Now, one thing you need to understand is this. When it comes to subtraction and addition, even though according to BODMAS, addition comes before subtraction, they are ranked equally. So you can just bring out the whole number. You can see that the whole number here, you have your 7, you have your 5. So you can do 7 minus 5. Then you put the fraction into bracket. That means you have 1 over 5 minus 13 over 16 plus 3 over 4. So what's the next thing? What is 7 minus 5? 7 minus 5 is what? That's 2. So go into our bracket. Now if you look at our bracket, what's the sum of 5, 16, and 4? That would be what? That would be 60. So you say that your LCM is 60. Then you ask yourself, what is 5 in 60? 5 in 60 is 12. So you have your 12 times 1, which is good. And 60 in 60, that will be 1 times 30. Then 4 in 60, that will be 15 times 3. So you move on by actually your 2. So what is 12 times 1? 12 times 1 is what? That will be 12 minus 13. 1 times 13 minus 1 times 13 is minus 30. Then 15 times plus 50 times 3, that will be plus 45 all over 60. So we can rewrite this by our two number. So in order to make it easier for us, we can bring 12, then we'll bring this 45 to the front, plus 45, then we'll take our minus 13 to the back over 60. So what is 12 plus 45? 12 plus 45, that'll be two number. What is 12 plus 45? 5 plus 2, that'll be 7. 4 plus 1, that'll be 5. So you have 57 minus 13 over 60. So our final answer, you have to 57 minus 13. That will be 7 minus 3 is what? That will be 4. 5 minus 1, that will be 4. So you're having 44 over 60. You can still break this down. You can break the 44 and 60 down. They go have a common factor of 4. So 4 here, 4. 4 here, 15. So our final answer is 2 number 4 over 15. 2 number 4 over 0. So you are welcome to the second question. The other one is that we should simplify 2 over 3 of 2 number 1 over 4 divided by 1 number 1 over 3. So the first thing is that I'm going to interpret our of here is times. So I'm going to rewrite the equation 2 over 3 times 2 number 1 over 4 divided by 1 number 1 over 3. What's our first step? We're going to change all the mixed fraction into improper fraction. This is a mixed fraction and also a mixed fraction. So this will be 2 over 3 times, this is 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, that will be 9 over 4. Divided by 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, that will be 4 over 3. So do not forget your BODMAS. According to BODMAS, you deal with the words, the one inside brackets first. So we are going to deal with this first. So 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 3 here 1, 3 here 3. So 1 times 3, that will be 3, 2 times 1, 2. So you have 2 over 2 divided by 4 over 3. So how do you do this? The next thing is we change our division. That will be 3 over 2 times, we also obtain, we have turned our division to types. The next fraction will turn upside down. That is, this 3 will come up, return to your numerator, while your 4 will be that is numerator will turn to the denominator. So we can now say 3 times 3, that will be 9. 2 times 4, that will be 8. So how many 8 can you see? That will be 1 number 1 over 8. So that's our final answer. So finally, we've come to the end of today's class. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, Mr. Willis Maths Class, please hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, your friends in school. Bye.